focused on you.
As we go on the air at 4, just within the past hour, the city of St. Louis changed its mind about requiring masks for city employees. A day after announcing the mandate, they're now strongly recommending city workers wear masks. Good afternoon. Thanks for being here. I'm Kate Quinn.
And I'm Brent Solomon. The change comes after city leaders walked back some of the data they were using to support their initial decision. Political editor Mark Maxwell joins us live from downtown. Break this all down for us, Mark.
Yeah, good afternoon, Brent and Kate. Remember these? You saw a lot more masks around City Hall today than you've seen for a long time. In fact, city government workers today had to come to work with one of these on them and wear that, but the mask mandate was quickly reversed, dredging up old memories of the pandemic in more ways than one. It started out Thursday when the health department sent a memo to all city employees telling them that masks would be required all day, effective today. But then they issued a second release today, walking back some of the more alarming statistics from their first notice. Then finally, at 4 o'clock today, a third press release that said masks are now, quote, strongly recommended. I talked to health officials today who seemed surprised by the initial mandate. BJC Healthcare telling us BJC is not seeing a strain on hospital capacity. We're experiencing a seasonal increase in respiratory illness, which is typical for this time of year. We also asked a 40-year veteran infectious disease specialist, the acting director of the St. Louis County Health Department, about his thoughts on a mask mandate.
We would probably consider it if we're really seeing stresses in the healthcare system in terms of hospitalization. But luckily, our influenza has not spiked yet. It is going up, but it's not nearly what it was last year. And it's moderate. It's not alarming.
So what prompted that late afternoon reversal? I've learned, in addition to misinterpreting or misreading some of the data itself, Governor Mike Parson's office said someone in their office spoke to someone in Mayor Jones's office and applied some pressure perhaps about this mandate. Meanwhile, the city of St. Louis is also recommending masks for everyone in the city of St. Louis if you're indoors and cannot social distance. That recommendation remains in place despite all the other confusion around this topic. Live downtown, Mark Maxwell, 5 on your side.
All right, thank you, Mark. New at